Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a very special little box from Madam Glam. This is a limited edition for Easter, and it is launching today, February 15th. So you can go check it out. The link is in the description box. Like I said, these are limited editions, so you better grab them quick because I think they are going to sell out. So I haven't opened this yet. Still got the plastic on it. I'm going to open it with you guys and we're going to see what's inside. I have no idea what's in here, but I'm super excited to check it out. Okay. Just go ahead and slice this baby open and see what's inside. First of all, it is the cutest little box ever. It's a nice like pastel matte finish, and the back says, "Roses are red, violets are blue. I love painting my nails this Easter, but only with you." So cute. Discover a spring collection, of 6 full-size soak-off gels. So that's what's inside. All the colors you need for your glam spring manicure. And as always, Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free, and HEMA-free, which is amazing. So let's look at these colors. Oh my gosh, look at how cute it is. So they are tucked in here nice and neat. And just like the February collection, they have unique packaging on the bottles. So we have here a beautiful pastel purple shade called Lily Scent. And it's got a cute little picture on the front. This one looks fun. Oh my goodness. Hopefully you guys can see okay. I am filming for the first time in my new location, so I'm still working out all the kinks with the lighting. Turn the flash on. This one is called Glowing My Way, and it looks like kind of like those speckly, milky, really cool glitters in there. That one will be very popular, I'm sure. And then we have this one with the cute little bunnies on it, a nice pastel pink called Pinkster. How cute is that? And then down here, a mint green. And this one is called Rebirth. Beautiful mint green. Then we have a peachy one. Give you a good look at the packaging there. That one is called Spring Bloom. And last but not least, a gorgeous pastel blue. And it's got little clouds on it. This one is called Euphoria, I believe. Okay. So, as far as I know, these will not be available for purchase individually. This is a special collection that comes in this beautiful limited edition box here for Easter. So like I said, don't wait. Go ahead and pick one up. The link is in the description box. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me this adorable little box. I cannot wait to create some manicures using these fun Easter colors. And I will see you all next time. Bye.